Hello guys, welcome to TestPay Lab. In this video, I would like to introduce how to use Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program used to record and analyze numerical and statistical data. Microsoft Excel provides multiple features to perform various operations like calculation, pivot tables, graph tools, macro programming, etc. It is compatible with multiple operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. What is Excel used for? Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and at companies from small to large. The main uses of Excel include data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis, charting and graphing, programming, time management, tax management, financial modeling, customer relationship management, all outstanding things that needs to be organized. My objectives in making this video are to be able to examine the value of using Excel to make decisions, learn how to start Excel, become familiar with Excel's workflow, understand how to navigate worksheets, examine the Excel rhythm, examine the right-click menu option, learn to set workbook, examine the status bar, become familiar with the features in the Excel Hub window. Making decisions with Excel. The information produced in Excel can be used to make decisions in both professional and personal contexts. For example, employees can use Excel to determine how much inventory to buy for a clothing retailer, how much medication to administer to a patient, or how much money to spend to stay within a budget. The information shown in this worksheet contains sales data for a hypothetical merchandise retail company. The worksheet data can help a retailer analyze the business and determine the number of salespeople needed for each month, for example. Starting Excel. Open Excel on your computer. Go to Start, type Excel and open. Another way is right-click on the desktop, go to New, and open Microsoft Excel. At this step, go to Home. Here, you will see Black Workbook. Click and open it. The Excel Workbook. A workbook is an Excel file that contains one or more worksheets referred to as a spreadsheet. Excel will assign a file name to the workbook, such as Book 1, Book 2, Book 3, and so on, depending on how many workbooks are open. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the screen. Your screen may be slightly different based on the version you are using. Here, I am using Microsoft Excel 2019 on a Windows PC. Here, you will see the file name as Book 1, Book 2, etc. as default until you save with a different name. Here is the command line window, and you will see Save Undo as the default. To add or remove a command, click this down arrow and choose as you like. And here, in the left corner of the workbook, you will see Sheet 1. A default workbook contains one sheet. In the upper right corner, you will see Close, Minimize, and Restore Down. In the lower right corner, you will see the display settings, view buttons for normal view, page layout view, page break view, and zoom slider. Your workbook should already be maximized once access is started. If the screen looks like this, you should click the Maximize button. Click here to maximize the workbook. Navigating worksheet. Data are entered and managed in an Access worksheet. The worksheet contains separate rectangles called cells, entering numeric and non-numeric data. Each cell in an Excel worksheet contains an address, which is defined by a colon letter followed by a row number. The cell currently activated is A1. Let's see another cell. This cell is D5. Okay, let's see how can we navigate in the Access worksheet. Place your mouse pointer over cell D5 and click. Check to make sure column letter D and row number 5 are highlighted. Move your mouse pointer to A1. Click and hold the left mouse button. You should see several cells highlighted. This is referred to as a cell range and is documented as 1 D5. Any two cell locations separated by a colon are known as a cell range. The first cell is the top left corner of the range, and the second cell is the lower right corner of the range. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a sheet tab indicated by Sheet 1. Clicking at the plus sign adds additional worksheet. This is how you open or add a worksheet within a workbook. To see how this works, click on the plus sign to add another worksheet so that you now have two sheets. Click the Sheet 1 worksheet tab at the bottom of the worksheet to return to the previous worksheet. Keyboard shortcut. For basic worksheet navigation, you can use some keyboard shortcut. Use the arrow key on your keyboard to activate cells on the worksheet. Hold the Shift key and press the arrow key on your keyboard to highlight the range of cells in the worksheet. Hold the Control key while pressing the page down or page up to open another worksheet in the workbook.